Welcome to Practice Guru Productivity Hacks, where we talk about ideas and tools which help professionals to be more productive and save on their time. For professionals, time is the most valuable resource. Today, we will learn about 10 plus 2 into 5 rule. This is one of the best method to avoid procrastination. So it happens with all of us where you have to complete something which is very important, but you are avoiding to do it or you are constantly getting distracted. In such cases, use this method. So you have to focus for just 10 minutes on the given work, and then you can take break for 2 minutes. So you trick your mind to think that you have to work only for 10 minutes and your mind obeys you. After 10 minutes, you can take break for 2 minutes, check your emails or social media accounts, whatever you enjoy doing. Again, you have to work only for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can again take break for 2 minutes and do whatever you like to do. You continue this cycle of 10 plus 2 for 5 times. And you will be surprised to see that you work on your important task for total 50 minutes and you made substantial progress in it. It works great for many. So try this very effective method to avoid procrastination. Tell us, did it work for you in the comments box. For more such productivity hacks, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.